This is me cutting out some templates for my little houses that I've decided to make. If you don't know who I am, I'm Stephanie and I am a ceramic artist, and I just thought I'd make a video so you can see how I actually do things. I usually am on the pottery wheel, but today I decided I was going to do some hand building. Now you're gonna see me doing a time lapse of putting together these little houses. The suggestion came from actually one of my colleagues when I put on Facebook. I posed a question asking what I should make, and I was told little houses. And so it's been almost a year since that suggestion came in, but I finally had a little bit of time and a little bit of thinking and decided to put these together. Toward the end of the video, you'll see what before firing looks like and before I actually sculpted onto it.